We're going to go over what we're going to do at Data Moving Week by going over a story of how Data got me from my current location to Hale, Colorado, which is my neighbor. So the first time I tried this trip, I got on my motorcycle and I knew that Hale, Colorado was somewhere that way. And unfortunately I didn't find it. So the second time, I got a little handy phone holder and I used an app called Google Navigation. So with Google Navigation, I basically had a function where I put in 3 parameters: my start location, my end location, and then which mode of transport. And basically, that function took those 3 parameters and sent me back the data of the actual map to my destination. Now, also with that, there's multiple views on that application. So there's a list view where you can see like the list of instructions, and then you can tap a button to go to actually see the instructions on the map itself. And to do that, you have 2 separate view controllers, so it has to pass that data between the 2 views. Otherwise, when it goes to the map view, it would have to ask you the same question again: where are you going and where are you starting? And that'd be kind of annoying. So passing data between views is critical, especially in app development. Then another thing that occurs on it, you'll also notice that when you pull up to a certain location, it will show you your current direction, so turn right ahead. And once you get past that right turn, your navigation goes to the second thing on the list, or the third or the fourth, depending on where you're at on your trip. So the way this does that is actually through notification. So the most popular notification system in the world is probably the tornado sirens and the alert system. So it's a loud siren sound that goes off that lets you know, hey, something is occurring. With these notifications, it's location based. So when the phone recognizes it's within a certain location, it changes the scene that you're looking at, because it recognizes, hey, I heard that I'm past this location, so I'm going to move on to the next step. So let's say I want to share my plans with a group of friends like Confucius here. How would I do that? Well, there's a couple of options. I could use Twitter or Facebook, or I don't think he has any of those, so I'm going to send it through email. Dang it, Confucius. And the last thing is, maybe I want to share with a group of people, but I don't want to share it on the internet. Maybe I want to share it locally. And that's where a good use of Bluetooth would be. It'd be nice to actually kind of go up and share a route with friends using a Bluetooth connection. So this is what our week's going to look like. Monday, we're going to be dealing with functions. So passing data to a function, getting data back out, and even taking the output of one function and having it as the input of a second function. Tuesday, we're going to be focusing on navigation controllers. So having one part of the storyboard communicate with another part of the storyboard, even though they're 2 separate classes of code. So the parent will talk to the child, and the child will send data back. On Wednesday, we're focusing on notifications. So notifications, you can shout out to the world, hey, this is happening. And you can also activate event listeners to listen to, okay, I heard that event, so I'm going to do something based on that. So like if you heard a tornado siren, you'd go to your basement. On Thursday, we're going to make it social. So we're going to talk to Twitter, Facebook, email, and we're going to send that data to others using this nice framework that Apple provides us. And then finally on Friday, we're going to communicate device to device and be able to share small bits of data using Bluetooth to like a local group of people. And this is all happening at Northwest Tech in the Mobile App and Entertainment Development Department in Goodland, Kansas.